Hi guys, welcome to our JWell factory and headquarters in Changzhou. Although JWell was founded in 1997, we have been in the screw and barrel field since 1978. In 2013, the JWell Changzhou factory was founded for prompt after-sales response to our customers from central China. Our best-selling products are our PP melt-blown fabric line. For more information, go to our website www.polynk.com. Alright guys, so now we are going to look at the static electric equipment. So the static electric generator can continuously generate high voltage static electricity to improve the electrostatic absorption capacity of melt-blown fabrics. The voltage of electric equipment can be adjusted at 60 to 100 kilovolts. For our 800 millimeter production line, its voltage is 60 kilovolts. For 1600 millimeters, its voltage is 100 kilovolts. So when we install electric equipment, we must have independent ground wires, and the depth of the ground pile must be 3 meters deep to prevent the equipment from being burnt out. Here is a schematic diagram of the static electricity equipment. This is static electricity rod, a frame, and an adapter box. They are grounded. So the slitting and rewinding machine is slit by a pneumatic force. The fixed knife is driven by a reduction gear motor, which is adjustable through a frequency converter. The moving knife is controlled by the cylinder to open and close. Its slitting distance is adjustable. So the normal specifications are 175 millimeters and 160 millimeters. The automatic rewinder includes winding, cutting, and changing sections. So it has a rotating structure and can be cut automatically by activating the procedure through the central command system. Our normal shaft is a 3-inch air expansion shaft, which is cut off by a rodless cylinder with a flying knife. The whole process of changing rollers is automatic, not manual. So we've done a complete overview of the melt-blown fabric line. Thank you for watching, and follow our channel if you missed any of the sections. So next we are going to cover some frequently asked questions. So check out our next video to find out some of the answers that our customers commonly ask us. See you next time.